ọmọ ni wọ́n jẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ tó sọ fún àwọn ọmọ mi tó wọ́n sọ pé ọmọ ẹlòmíì fàásì.
Now this is normal spite drink one, and this is not something that everybody just splash in Colosso. Because the man wants to pay for it, and we'll see ilé Mohbad mo lọ kí ìyàwó Mohbad àti ọmọ ẹ̀ tí mo wá bá màmá ẹ̀ lóyè nígbà tó fi kú yẹn tó ń gbé tó ṣe fídíò yẹn àtàwọn other boys tí mi wọ́n pọ̀ nbẹ so gbogbo wọn sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo wọn sọ̀rọ̀ and mo rí pé nǹkan tó sọ lọ́jọ́ yẹn àti kó tí DJ Splash sọ ó ṣe understand ó papọ̀ and ọmọ tí mo ìkan náà àwọn boys tí mo send sí ó mú kan nù wọn ó bá ìwọ̀n gbà yẹn ìbọ̀bọ̀ tó sign yẹn because mom I have 2 children but by the grace of God I've been able to raise a lot of children. And I call all of them my children. So if I can show you that, I must say I shall understand. Yeah. So one more thing mo fẹ́ forúkọ bó láṣẹ because ẹ̀rù ń bà gan ló mo fẹ́ jáde. You know so. Yeah, ló ti kọ́kọ́ sọ fún mi pé mọ́mí kí ni kò in fact ọjọ́ tó pè mọ́mí mo jáde mọ́ because mi ò ronú lọ sí pé bóyá won't go through any trauma lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀, you understand? And I don't know Naira Marley one-on-one, but that is manager, the female manager tó padà di manager Mohbad yẹn. Ìyẹn máa ń wá àwọn ọmọ mi wá obìnrin ni ó máa ń wá sọ ó máa ń múra bọ̀ ọkùnrin ó máa ń wá àwọn ọmọ mi ó máa ń wá gbogbo wọn wá. Because àti pásọ pé àwọn ọmọ mi kò ń ṣe fẹ́tà àti bìsíkà nìkan ọmọ 7 ni mo raise 7 lọ gbé pẹ̀lú mi láti kékeré dàgbà láwọn tó bá ń follow story mi. So ó máa ń wá síbí báyìí pẹ̀lú òun àtàwọn a lot of àwọn age mates wọn. So wọ́n máa sọ fún mi pé manager kìnnìkan ni yẹn máa ní okay. Even in London tí Mohbad wá yìí òun àti manager yẹn lọ́jọ́ wá. Girl yẹn ṣe understand but mo rí yẹn sọ pé òun ti kúrò lọ́dọ̀ Naira Marley pé Mohbad gan lòun ṣe kúrò lọ́dọ̀ pé ọ̀dọ̀ Mohbad lòun wá Mohbad lòun manage báyìí. So ṣé mo gbogbo time yẹn bá tí kéèsì ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tí gbogbo àwọn boys yẹn tí DJ Splash yẹn sọ̀rọ̀ tí gbogbo àwọn boys yẹn tó wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ Mohbad yẹn náà lọ́jọ́ tí mo lọ bẹ̀ tí gbogbo náà sọ̀rọ̀ then àwọn ọmọ mi náà àwọn náà sọ̀rọ̀ nínú ilé you know every like that's like it's like a norm yes ma. Now tẹ́ bá rí the recordings we did for Mama DJ Splash, right? O Sunday pé o tó ń bá lọ sílé. Ọmọ máa ń bẹ̀ àwọn tó ń bá lọ wò lọ́dọ̀ Naira Marley pé má jẹun, ọmọ yẹn má jẹun ẹ má mu.
Okay, come about spice.
Ó yẹ kó má mu. Tí a bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ because this woman and Mama Mohbad wọ́n mọ́ra rí. Mama Mohbad ní ọjọ́ tí mo lọ síbẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ tí mo lọ kí àwọn náà lé. The same thing lọ sọ. Pé ọjọ́ tí àwọn lọ wò Mohbad nílé Mohbad gbé oúnjẹ ó dáná ó gbé ọtí ó dáná ní káwọn máa jẹ káwọn máa mú ṣó.
Ó sọ nínú ìpàdé.
No, the same thing tó náà ni Mama DJ Splash sọ. The same thing náà ni DJ Splash sọ. The same thing náà làwọn boys ní
wọ́n. So bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bá jẹ́ woman rights activist èèyàn máa ń ní task because when you are saying the truth of course.
Yeah.
That's why I don't give you votes of anybody. I just say my own.
Even a fellow actor náà tó ti close mọ́ àwọn Malians náà rí tó ti wà ní wọn náà rí. Same thing. So it is definitely true that.
But why tí àwọn èèyàn wọn ṣe regard interview tí ìyá Mohbad gangan sọ nípa gbọ́n tí bàbá ẹ̀ náà dẹ̀ sọ pé ó máa fi nǹkan sọ́tì fún wọn fún oúnjẹ sí wọn ṣé wọn gbọ́ ni.
Mommy, that's why you know like that day when I was talking and he has a lot of cases to answer. I know what I'm saying. Do you understand? Because normally after we did DJ Splash interview and everything, on a normal day he should go to court. He should go to police station and do his write-up and everything and place that as evidence. But to me, I just felt he has a lot to answer for right now. And really we don't want to because it is all about Mohbad for now. So yes, the Splash is getting help. In fact, the boy is good right now. He's even in the studio right now. Yes. I just told it to myself, our police were aware, they are aware. Even they requested, should they send security down? I said, no, it's fine, he's safe, right? But like they are aware, they know the story. But you know, mommy, taba parole social media, I will not count it until they put it into writing, they share reports. And I just felt like, you know what, he has a lot that he's dealing with now. Why would I bring up these allegations now? Because that's the allegation of DJ Splash and some other ones, that they are labeling against this Naira Marley. Don't let me do that. Let me leave that until later. She understand? Let me later. Let's not thank you. Let's not complicate issues right now. Let us focus on this Mohbad's case first. We don't know who killed Mohbad. I'm not saying Naira Marley killed Mohbad, but there are evidence to a lot of things that happened to Mohbad. She understand? Before he came to your he was not mad. He didn't have any mental health issues. There are accusations that his drink and food were laced multiple times with drugs, which are already with the police. They have all these information I'm talking about. It's not like, there's a lot of issues going on. And if one person, 2 people, 3 people keep saying the same thing, getting to 4, 5, there's definitely something going on there. So apart from that, his royalties were not being paid for. You understand? Then there's the issue of Sam Larry, to bully, to man, no, and Sam Larry is your best friend or your close friend or whatsoever relationship they need. And thank you, ma'am. And they've tried to arrest this Sam Larry like twice before they decided that it's a competition. She understand what you're trying to arrest it twice. Yes, once you try one arrest it twice, but she obviously kept on. So the last one of his petition to file against them. She understand? And in that petition you can there's a boy on
silently.
Yes, there's a boy talking in the black to jẹ́ pé kono amale as jẹ́ pé inú àwọn orin tó kọ àwọn orin tó kọ yẹn ó kọ síbẹ̀ pé àwọn máa pa àwọn máa ṣe kíní kan she understand. So there's a lot of all the things I'm saying to you àwọn ọlọ́pàá ní information yẹn lọ́wọ́. Because she money that number me say you guys can send informations a lot. Mommy, over 1,000 plus videos were sent. Some were repeated videos, but a lot of videos were sent, which I forwarded to the police people. I forwarded it to the CP, I forwarded it to the PRO, and I forwarded it to Panti himself, right? So all this evidence are there. They are there. They are glaring. We're not talking about it now because, mommy, I don't need to come out and be talking about it like I'm doing like. Even though I'm just trying to explain some things to them. She understand?
No, they are just being wicked. There's nothing you can do about it.
All things are allegations that are laid out.